everybody, it's Terri Gaines. I'm going to give you some assembly tips on this cute hot cocoa packet. Got a candy cane and your hot cocoa in the decorative little packet. It's a super easy project to make. You need designer series paper. I'm going to be using a sheet of the paper from the Under the Mistletoe designer series paper sold by Stampin' Up, and it is the perfect weight and perfect for this project. The paper needs to be 6 by 6, so I cut this. You can get 4 per the 12 by 12 sheets. Also, I'm going to be using the envelope punch board by Stampin' Up. It has a stylus built right into the board there, so we're going to pull that out and line the one corner up to a 3-inch mark and punch, and then score. There's a score line right on this side. Then rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and you need to line this mark to the score line, or with this particular project, it's also at 3 inches. Most of the projects with this envelope punch board, you only look at this mark the first time and then line the score line. This happens to be the 3 inches all for all marks. So again, punch, score, rotate it one more time, punch, score. And we only need to score 3 sides, but we need to punch the 4th one. So we're going to rotate that. That 4th one is going to be our top. There's also a corner rounder. They call it a reverse punch. We're going to just punch that top panel. Then what we have is we have our score lines to bring these pieces in. I'm going to set that aside. What we need to do is just put a little dab of adhesive, right in this corner. Bring that in. This is the bottom. We're going to bring that in. We're going to just put some adhesive right here. Bring that in. I have a belly band that's going to wrap around here. So it's just going to wrap it around the center. With the designer series paper, you don't have to pre-score this. You can just wrap that like so and put some adhesive underneath. Put some adhesive right here. Wrap that like so. The sentiment I'm using is out of the Christmas traditional punch box kit, and you get 6 different designs. I've already stamped that with the real red. Punched it with 1 3/4 inch circle punch, layered on a 2-inch circle punch with the real red cardstock. Just gonna cover this little intersection of the band up and take your hot cocoa packet and your candy cane and slip it in here, and there you have a quick and easy gift for school teachers, neighbors, co-workers. Once you start making these, you're not going to want to stop. They're so fun and easy. Enjoy. Pop on over to my blog, Create with Terri Gaines, and you can download a PDF with all the instructions and the supplies. Thanks. Bye-bye.